Hey kids! Let's do a fun project today. This video will guide you through the police car template. First, remove a small amount of paper backing from the copper tape and start applying the copper tape on the brown trace line. Now mount the first LED to the template, but before you do this, determine which leg of the LED is positive and which leg is negative. Now mount the second LED to the template, but before you do this, determine which leg of the LED is positive and which leg is negative. Now insert the paper fastener in the PR punched hole and attach paper clip to it as shown here. Fold the corner along the given line. Place the battery on the given battery circle with negative side facing down. Toggle the paper clip to see different lights on the template's glow.